See that? No more than us putting the boat in the already flooded lake. Starts raining again. We've had rain for 5 days straight. Water temperature up on the river, 57 degrees. It was 67. Chunk of crankbait for 10 minutes. Threw some top water for about 5 minutes. Threw my Ike's mini flip around some flooded bushes. About 10 minutes. Nothing. That's some bullshit. What's up, what's up, what's up? So, dude, look, I'm here at the office right now. The status of what the weather has been in Virginia is crap. It's rained non-stop. You've got dams that are breaching, if that makes sense. I think that's the correct terminology. You got floods. You've got people can't even get on their docks at the lake. The one time it finally breaks, like the sun comes out like today. And guess what? It starts raining again. But you know what? I did get some killer footage. I didn't catch any fish because I only got the fish for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It was good to take the boat out and at least pretend like I was fishing, to actually get outside. Not only is the COVID-19 keeping us from doing stuff that we like to do, but now we got the floods of Moses. Enough with the rain. Give us a break. Time out. Time out. I'm up here at the office at Missile Baits, and you'll notice in the back I've got my John boat. Well, that's because I've got some upgrades that I'm getting ready to do to it. I'm gonna do a whole video on the John boat, and no, I'm not painting it, so don't worry, Brian the Carpenter. I'm not gonna do a painting video. But it's gonna be kick-ass. To hold you off until then, unless I can get it, I know I'm not gonna be able to fish this week. My daughter's graduating high school. It's more like an online graduation, so we're having people over to the house this Saturday, and I'm gonna be busy. So I probably won't be able to fish until Sunday. Figured it'd be a good time to do some upgrades on the John boat. But check out this footage that I got when we finally got a break from the rains for like an hour. It was flooded. It was bad. Check it out. Okay. See? It's not that bad. Just take this off. This is how you launch in a flood. This is how you launch at a flooded ramp. Just like that. The good old Z launch. See? That's how you do it right there. Pull the boat right up on the boat ramp or in the parking lot of the boat ramp. This is what it looks like at Mormon's Marina. I'm gonna have to pay the I will pay the boat ramp fee. But yeah.